Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Suburban LT. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as panoramic sunroof, integrated brake controller, third row seating, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with huge doors and tons of extra paneling and storage on the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. That'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows with the wood and chrome accents and your seat memory. You're also going to have these black running boards here as well, and onto the power adjustable leather heated seats, very comfortable. Left side here, you're going to have your vents and as well as your parking brake, park assist, auto stop, as well as your 360-degree camera and lane keep assist, as well as your drive mode and your 2- and 4-wheel drive. Left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have a cruise control, forward collision alert, and your heated steering wheel. And the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now, with the odometer cluster control, pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip summary, as well as trip 1, trip 2, drive assistance with adaptive cruise, oil life, brake pad, and pretty much all you need, as well as music, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and then other settings as well. It'll be push to start here. You're going to have your column shifter just right there. As well, you'll have your tri-zone climate control with 2 USB ports, and up top onto the infotainment system, like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access your front, rear, and your 360-degree camera, as well as your trailer hitch. You can also access your trailer lights, as well as Amazon Alexa and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Down below, you're going to have huge wireless charging pad, lots of extra storage, and the center console with 2 extra USB ports. Passenger side's power adjustable as well. Same finish, wood and chrome. It's going to go across the dash as well. Bose speakers up top, and here you can access your rear liftgate, as well as your power seats, reading lamps, and your panoramic sunroof. You're going to have these 20-inch aluminum wheels with paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handle. Luggage rack up top with deep tint rear glass in the back. Of course, you're just going to have the exhaust on the bottom there. And with the power liftgate, you're also going to have the third row seating. Even with third row seating, you're going to have so much storage, as well as an AC wall charger here in the back and extra hooks. Let's hit these down. Once these go down, you're going to have a lot more storage. We go into the back here, you're going to have USB-C and cup holders on each side, as well as vents and lamps. And you're also going to have extra storage down below. It's a very spacious rear. Onto the rear interior, same style, huge doors with tons of extra paneling and storage, right next to the Bose speaker. That'll come up here to the power locks and windows with the wood and chrome accent again, Chevrolet badging, and of course the second row, bench adjustable seats with quite a bit of legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat, with rear cup holders, rear ventilation and heated seating, as well as USB and an AC wall charger right on the bottom. Cup holder and armrest on the side, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again is that panoramic sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Suburban LT. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as Google Assistant and Maps, lane keep assist, 360-degree camera, panoramic sunroof, third row seating, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.